It smells kind of weird. Hello there guys, welcome to Vegan Wednesdays. So this is a brand new thing. If you haven't noticed on my channel, I've separated my videos into like Makeup Mondays, Vegan Wednesdays and Fashion Fridays, and then, you know, I won't be able to full clothes every week, so when I'm poor, I will be doing Fitness Fridays, because, you know, I always work out, as you can see. Got a massive gun there. So I am in this massive cozy jumper because it is freezing. So, yeah, I really hope you enjoy this. I'm excited for it. I hope that is enough content for y'all, you know, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Oh God, there's a massive spider up there. Oh, oh, okay. I was thinking, how do I do this Vegan Wednesday thing? So, I'm vegetarian, but I have but I have vegan days, and I thought Vegan Wednesdays will be such a cool thing I thought to do. Very original. Yeah, so how I'm going to do it is, I was thinking, shall I do what I eat in a day? But then I just thought, I'm going to use up all my ideas in like 3 weeks, and then I'm going to be a bit buggered. But if I post like one thing per day, do you know what I mean? So today is smoothie day, as you can tell in the title. And also I feel like you wouldn't want to watch me eating for like half an hour. I just thought it'd be too much. So I thought small videos, small, short, sweet, fun videos will do the trick. So yes, today we are doing a green smoothie. That was good. Surprised myself there. So this is my favourite green smoothie I drink. It is the bee's knees. It tastes like banana custard, which is amazing, but I cannot promote because it's not vegan. To make, it is easy, cheap and quick, like me. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a mixer to mix it up. This is Brayon from Amazon, and it is amazing. Spinach leaves. Now I've got the unwashed ones because I like to wash them myself because I don't trust no one. I don't trust anyone. But if you're lazy, like me as well, you can get washed ones. But yeah, I don't trust anyone, so I like to wash it myself. And a sieve for the spinach. Bananas. Now I would say 1 banana because banana is quite strong in flavour. But I've got small ones, so I thought I'll use 2. Kiwis. I do like golden kiwis, but I couldn't find any Morrison's golden kiwis. Come on. Avocados, because why not? I love avocados. Just 1 though, because too much avocado, I feel like it's too much fibre and then you might get a bit bummed up, do you know what I mean? And then to give it some sweetness, some apple juice. I know concentrated apple juice is not the best, but I need to drink this within 3 days, so that's why I'm using it. Soya vanilla flavour milk, and it is insane. Now this is the thing that makes it taste good. Obviously all the greenery kind of is a big part of it, but this is also a big part. And yeah, we're gonna open it. Oh. It smells kind of weird. Okay, so let's just get on with the cooking. This is going to be quite, you know, easy. Shake. And yeah, so this isn't really kind of, okay, so let's see what ones are the ripest ones. None of them. Oh well. Okay, so this is where you're going to need your knife, and yeah, you just kind of, let's cut and peel the kiwi. So we're going to have 2 kiwis. Okay, so now you've got 2 kiwis. Now it is time to, you know, I don't know, whatever. You can do this in whatever order. I'm just trying to be cool and really good at it, but I'm not. So let's, banana. It's good to have ripe bananas just because they'll be sweeter. Like a bitter banana, if you know what I mean. I hate those bits. Okay, now the avocado. Man, I love avocados as well. Avocados are the best. Oh, look at that. That is so stunning. Oh, man, I love that, love that. Okay, now it is time for the spinach. I usually do about like a handful, kind of. Yeah. So something a bit like that, I would say. And then you just wash it. Just kind of squish it in, you know. Alright. Now to add the vanilla soya. I just kind of add, I don't know, about that much. The apple juice. I then kind of that much. And now it is ready to mix. So let's move all of this out the way so we can watch the magic happen. And then once it's kind of mixed a little, I then add a drop of water to thin it out a bit. I like it quite thick, so it completely is up to you if you like it thinner, you know, but I love seeing the seeds and things in it. It just looks really, really nice, and it is super delicious. I feel very healthy. I hope that doesn't make you sick and you actually enjoy the smoothie. I hope you guys have a great day and you enjoyed the very first Vegan Wednesdays. I'll be back next Wednesday with another vegan thing. Make sure you subscribe so when I post next week you know when, you know. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day and it is fabulous like you, and yeah, see you guys next Wednesday. Bye! So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that, and yeah, I'll see you next week. Come to Vegan Wednesdays with Annie. Ooh, that's good. So you're gonna need. Alrighty then. Oh, the light is hurting my eyes. I'm gonna show you what I do. You know what softer. Welcome. Ha ha ha.